How to do paper trading on TradingView. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. TradingView's paper trading lets you practice trading with $100,000 virtual money using real-time market data for stocks, crypto, and Forex. It's completely free and includes essential features like multiple order types, position tracking, and performance statistics. While perfect for learning and testing strategies risk-free, remember that real trading involves additional factors like market slippage and emotional pressures that paper trading can't simulate. Now we are on our trading chart. To do it, first of all, tap here on this icon. Then tap here. Here you can see the option as paper trading. Tap on it. To start with, tap here on Connect. And our TradingView account has been opened now. Here is our account balance, equity, and all this. Minimize this from here. To do paper trade, right-click here and tap on it to show Buy Sell button. Do your analysis on whatever coin and time frame you want to use. Once you found your position, like I want to sell BTC, so I will tap here on Sell, and this small pop-up window will be open. Here, enter the amount you want to sell. Like I want to sell 1 BTC, so simply I will put that amount and will press Enter, and my trade will be executed. You can see all your trades information here, like price, profit, loss, market value, purchase value, etc. To close this position, you will simply tap here on this cross icon, and you can close partial trade as well as complete. Here is the trading history, and the buying process is also the same as we did for selling. Further, as a shortcut, you can manage your trade from here as well. This is how can you trade. Further, you have any queries, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.